Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I am going to show you best way to create a landing page. If you are working on an affiliate marketing business model or a CPA business model and you do not know how to create a landing page, or even if you are finding it difficult to create a landing page, then this is the video for you to provide you all the solution at the best possible cost. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Now let's start it with our today's video, best way to create a landing page. And as you know that landing page are an important element in affiliate marketing. If you do not create landing page, there is a chance that if you directly link to your affiliate link or place that affiliate link with the social media platform or the traffic generating platform, then there is a risk that you get banned yourself on different platform. The best way is to create a bridge page or landing page in which you provide the relevant information and drive traffic from the social media and other platform directly to your landing page. And as you own that landing page, and from here you can divert visitors to any affiliate link that you want. This is the safest solution nowadays. And for creating a landing page, there are different types of platforms out there. The most common platform that people are using are ClickFunnels, but the problem with ClickFunnels is that it is too costly, and the basic plan started at the rate of $97 a month. And most of the people who have just stepped into this industry, they do not have the budget to afford for the ClickFunnels. That's why I tried to get the best solution for you, and I am just showing you a software that can create landing pages within just few seconds. Even they have ready-made templates, or if you do not want to use their ready-made templates, they have a drag and drop builder, and using drag and drop builder you can just create landing page within a minutes. This software name is Thrive Architect. It is actually a Thrive Themes product. If you just go to thrivethemes.com, you will see that primarily are the most famous are their Thrive themes, but with the passage of time they have also created different plugins, opt-in forms, landing pages, clever widgets, headline optimizers, Thrive Ultimatum, Thrive Ovation, Thrive Quiz Builder, Thrive Comments. So they have created many tools with the passage of time, but the tool that I wanted to use for this purpose is Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect is a product of the Thrive themes, and if you just move downward you will see that this is just a drag and drop builder. All you need is to drag and drop on your page and you can create templates within a few minutes. Even they have ready-made templates out there. Just going to show you within a few moments. You can add call to action buttons, testimonials, style lists, credit card icons, lead generation forms, content boxes, animated countdown timers, content reveal, pricing tables, contact forms, current date boxes, call to action box, and these are all features you are looking here. Paragraph, heading, image, post grid, progress bar, tabs, toggle, table of contents. These are all part of the Thrive Architect. And if you just ask for the pricing structure, then Thrive Architect offers you the best solution at the least pricing available as compared to its competitors. If you buy a single license, then you will get it for $67. If you buy this software for 5 licenses, means if you wanted to use this plugin for 5 websites, then you have to pay $97 one time. Keep remember that this is a one-time fee. You do not need to have pay on a monthly basis. However, if you wanted to go for the monthly option, you need to pay $19 per month. But with that membership option, you can use any of the Thrive products. You can use their Thrive theme, you can use their Thrive plugins, you can use their Thrive other products. It is up to you whether you wanted to buy a one-time license or a one-time investment, or if you go for their monthly Thrive membership option. If you have a plan to use their other products, I recommend you go for the Thrive membership. But if you just going to buy for Thrive Architect, then you can either use the single lessons or the 5 lessons. 5 lessons offer you the 5 websites. So if you have a plan in the future to add more websites in your portfolio, I recommend you to go for the 5 lessons packs. So you get the idea about the Thrive Architect. Now I am going to show you how this software work and how to create a landing page. This is my website. Just like any website, you add plugins there. You can add Thrive Architect plugin in your website. I have already added a Thrive Architect plugin in my this website. So just going to show you how to work on Thrive Architect. Now just click on the pages if you want to add page in your website. As you are seeing that my domain name is Online Earning Mentor, as it is a make money niche and it is a generic domain name. So if I wanted to add more products, more related make money products in my domain, then I can do that. That's why I prefer to buy a generic domain name, so that you can add more products in the future if you want. Let's suppose we wanted to create a landing page. Now give a title here, make $500 per day on ClickBank. Just save it as a draft. Once you install Thrive Architect, you will see a tab like this. This is the Thrive Architect tag, and just click on Launch Thrive Architect. Now you are seeing that on the right hand side these are icons, and from those icons you can add different things to your main page. And if you just click on the add element section, then you are seeing that these are all different foundation elements, building blocks elements, and Thrive integrations. If you wanted to add ready-made templates, then you can click on change template. Then you are seeing that these are different types of templates: default templates, saved landing pages, and blank. If you wanted to create your own, then you can add a blank page. Or if you wanted to use their ready-made templates, then these are all ready-made templates out there. And if you just click on any of the page, let's suppose if you wanted to click on fit brand, then you will see that there are different pages that are inside the fit brand template, like fit brand homepage, fit brand lead generation page, fit brand email confirmation page, fit brand download page, and fit brand content playground. If you don't like any of the thing, just go through other themes like pro layers, flat 2, Node.ps, coming soon, check, icons, and these are all templates. Let's suppose if I click on this template, personal branding, just click on this and you will open up all the pages that are inside the personal branding. Now let's suppose if you wanted to add this type of a page, personal branding lead generation page. I like this page, so I just click on this page and click on choose template. There are tons of other pages out there, hundreds of other pages out there. It is up to you which you want to choose. I am just giving you an example here. Now that page has been opened, and you are seeing that if you wanted to just edit this page, just click on, you are seeing that this is the text column, and just click on that. Like this page is related to make money in ClickBank, so just write related to the ClickBank, make bold. And if you wanted to change the color, then just click any of the color, apply, and now you see that make $500 per day on ClickBank. Even if you wanted to change the font, you can change the font from here. You can transform into the capital, small, or even other formats. These are layouts and position. Let's suppose if you wanted to change this text, step by step, beginners, just put your name and email address. Now you have written a text here, and this is your lead generation section. If you wanted to edit this section, just click on this section and edit form elements. Now you can edit only this elements, like if you wanted to change the name, if you wanted to change the email, then you can edit from the here. Just click of a button, you can edit anything. If you wanted to change the text, then join while email list now. It is as easy as you like. If you wanted to delete this section, after clicking this, and now you can edit this section. You can add your image here. If you wanted to delete this, just delete this section, just delete this, delete this, delete, 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 delete. Now this page has been created. Let's suppose you wanted to edit this section, 2019 disclaimer, and once you've completed all of your work, just click on save work. As this video is all about creating a landing page, so I am just giving you an idea about how you can create a landing page. In the next videos, I will show you how you can convert this lead generation box with your autoresponder. Thrive Architect provides the facility, and this facility will allow you to just connect your landing page with your autoresponder within a click of a button. Keep watching my next series of videos in which I will show you how you can connect your landing page with your autoresponder. After saving your work, just go to your original WordPress section and click publish. Now your page has been published. Click on new page, so you can just look at your page, how it looks like. So your landing page has been created. If you have a logo, you can put your logo here, or if you wanted to remove that section, even you can remove that section from your Thrive Architect editor. As this landing page looks like great, you can divert traffic from free and paid methods to your landing page. This is your landing page. If you wanted to provide them free report, in the next videos I will also show you how you can create a free report and add it in your server. And free report offers much more value to your visitors, and they are more keen to provide their email IDs for the in return for the free report. That's why I recommend you to add free report, valuable free report on your landing page, and that's why you get tons of subscribers from your visitors. Your landing page has been created, and if you just go through your pages section, you can look at this page. However, if you wanted to change this landing page, still you can just go through the change template. Just click of a button, you can change your landing page. Let's suppose if you wanted to add another type of landing page like mini squeeze, you can see that there are some all sort of awesome landing pages, mini squeeze to lead generation 3. Just click on this landing page, choose template. Now you have seen that the new landing page has substituted the old landing page, and if you wanted to edit this text, just as you have already opened in the new tab, just click that and paste that text into that section and just make it in the center and just add this text into the and just if you think that is all right, just click on save work and now go through your link and you will see that your landing pages will get changed. That's how you can create instant landing pages on Thrive Architect. If you wanted to add more section into your landing page, then just click on add element section, and you can, if you wanted to add text section, image section, button section, columns, background, content box, templates and symbols, you can save your this landing page in the template section, and if you wanted to use them in the future, you can just click off a button, get those landing pages. Click to tweet, content reveal, countdown, credit card, custom menu, comments, divider, Facebook comments, full counter, lead generation. You can just create your landing page and add that lead generation section. Like if you just drag that lead generation section, so now you are seeing that you have added that lead generation section. If you wanted to edit this lead generation section, you have a full control on the left side, and you can even change the layout, background style, borders and much more in the Thrive Architect. So these all form of elements you will get with the Thrive Architect, and you wanted to save this landing page, there are advanced settings, and you can export landing pages, you can import landing pages. These all features are in the Thrive Architect, and Thrive Themes admin are continuously working on adding some excellent features in the Thrive Architect. It gets updated on a regular basis. So if you wanted to be part of the team, or if you wanted to use some excellent software, then Thrive Architect is the best solution for you. I hope you like this video, and if you are looking for the solution for making a landing page, then this video will really help you out, and I highly recommend you to go for the Thrive Architect. And if you decided to go for the Thrive Architect, I will put that link in my description box. And I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.